Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is sixth part of my explanation of my physics theory. I will emphasize that my theory and my formulas are valid for light, whether light sources and observers are in inertial frames or accelerating situations. They are in continuity. For all locations and for all observers and all light sources and for all accelerating or inertial situations, light adjusts at the same moment and in the same time intervals in the continuity itself, as the results will always be absolute time. Okay. We will start with our light clocks. Basically, I will tell you, okay, here we are. Here A, here C. A is a person sitting in the light clock box. Okay, this here. This is source, light source. Now, I will tell you basically, remember, this is 0 degree, light clock here. Please think of that as if motion picture, movie, but universe mainly run in continuity. Universe is not discontinuous. We separate that. Okay, here, remember, this is light source when go in the direction of 0 degree, in the direction of relocation, just in the direction of 0 degree, D will be equal to C minus V. And in 90 degree, always will be D equals C. Okay, I will not tell you these again and again. Please have a look at my former videos. Now, firstly, here, okay, this point, 90 degree point, light is going to up side, and this one through this direction, okay. Alpha, this is alpha. In this direction, in alpha direction, wave velocity will drop and wavelength will be narrow, okay? But you must know that this 2-point actualized at same time. This is so important. This is first step. This is tick step. Okay, this process is tick process for light clock. And sometimes later here. Okay? But at the same time. Okay? Alpha in this direction, light waves velocity smaller than c. Okay, the d smaller than c, and here equal c because of here 90 degree. Okay, and then later, okay, this point and this point at the same time. Okay, d equals c, d smaller than c, lambda alpha equal lambda n, here lambda alpha equal lambda n, here lambda same, okay, at the same time. Finally, here A, here A, here A. Okay? Carefully look at that motion picture. This is process. Lastly, here this is reflector. Just that moment when light arrives here, A arrives just at C position at the same time. Tick is finished and actualized tick of tick-tack light clocks, tick-tack of light clocks, tick-tack. Tick actualized for A and C at the same moment because of another one. This direction is not important. This in this direction, and this wave is not important for us. Finish here. Okay. Here. Come in and just A. When A and C coincide together, when A and C coincide, just that time, in the same time, at the same moment, light from the source to the reflector has just in that time, in coincidence time of C and A, in that time, just in that time, for two of that, A and C, in that time, has just arrived to reflector. Tick is actualized finally. Eventually, tick is actualized for E and C at the same time. This is first episode. Now, second tack episode. Here we are. Now, don't forget, C is at stationary state and C at there. Okay, C and A is going with that. Now, this is source, reflector, secondary source, and this is direction, motion direction, same. Here, here, here, here, okay. In 0 degree direction, D will equal C minus V lambda, and delta, I beg your pardon, lambda alpha will be equal to lambda n minus delta lambda cosine, no, in this direction, minus delta lambda, okay, in 0 degree. But this direction, you know. Yes. I must tell basically, because I must emphasize something. Here, first starting, propagating, reflecting, propagating as a source, light. And secondly, what happened? Through the C, tick, tick, tick, tick, here, has not arrived yet, and through the A. Okay, we say alpha 1. We say D in this direction, D1 equal, okay, in this direction, through the C, D equal C minus velocity of the system cosine. Remember that 90 degree, because of, remember, 90 degree. This is relocating, okay, plus alpha 1. Because of greater than, if the angle greater than 90 degree, always D greater than the C. Because of D1 will be C plus something, X, okay. Because of 90 degree plus alpha. We say X plus X, okay. Now, this is so important that sometimes later, here, from that point through the C, okay, and through the A, 90 degree, we say alpha 2. Alpha 2 greater than alpha 1. Look at that. If this system accelerates suddenly, instantly, or decelerate. If accelerate, this will be there and alpha will be greater. Light is adjusting itself for all position, for all observers, or for all sources position together. Acceleration, situation, deceleration situation, and inertial situation. All of situations and all of sources and observers wholly in same universes, light for them adjust itself for each one. Okay, this is our motion picture's second episode for tech episode. Before we saw TIC episode. Okay, here we are. This point and this point at the same time. Don't forget this. Okay, this point and this point at the same time. At the same time, at the same time. Finally, here. And there. At the same time. Mission is accomplished. From the source, reflector source, to A and to C at same moment light arrives. TAC is that. Because of D equals C, okay, but and lambda n, but here lambda say C and D say C greater than D. At the same time, you see. So, TIC and TAC are actualized at the same time for A and C. This is simultaneity. Whether system is accelerating or decelerating, or system maintains its inertial situation. It is not important. My theory and my formulas are valid for accelerated universe, expanding universe, shrinking universe, instantly changing phases universe, inertial universes. Good evening. Have a good evening. See you later.